Good morning, friends. My name is Tatiana Vyacheslavovyna. I'm a teacher from School 16, and today I'm going to be with you learning English. I hope you are getting well. That's why let's start. So, today we are going to learn more about nature, its problems, and the ways to solve them. I'd like you to know some new vocabulary and the grammar material concerning the first conditional. At the end of the lesson, you are to watch the video about the environment and you'll get some home tasks. Have a look at the screen. If you don't think about the future, you will not have it. These are the words by John Galsworthy. What do you think of these words? Do you agree with them? Why? Why not? Is our planet too dirty nowadays? Is it in danger? I'd like you to answer these questions by the end of the lesson. Let's pay attention to this word, danger. Let's find the definition to it. I propose you the definition from the Oxford Dictionary. Danger is the possibility of something happening that will injure, harm somebody, or damage something. Now it's your turn to fill in the gaps. Injure, harm, damage is... So what is it? Yeah, you are right. It is a danger. Here are some words combinations with this word. In danger of something. For example, animal species are in danger of extinction. Pay attention, mind please. In danger and endangered species. These are the animals which are living not so much in the world. So they are in danger. Mind please. In danger, endangered. The next word combination is out of danger. It means that somebody or something has no danger now. Pay attention to this picture. The girl is out of danger. She is with her father, so she has no danger. The next word is environment. What is it? Look at the picture. The natural world in which people, animal and plants live. It is a habitat where we all, you and me and your parents live. It's our planet. Pollution. If you throw the rubbish wherever you want, you'll make our streets dirty. So, this is a process. For example, water pollution is a big problem nowadays. Next word, to pollute. As you can see, it is a verb because of this word to. It is an action of pollution. Cars pollute our atmosphere greatly. Now, my dear, I'd like you to pay attention to these three words. To reuse, to recycle, and to reduce. Here we have this prefix, re. What does it mean? Read, reread, write, rewrite, play, replay. It means do it again. So use, reuse means use it again. Cycle, recycle. To treat something in a way it will be used one more time. To reduce means to make something less or smaller in size, quality, quantity, or price. The next words, to protect, to save. To protect, make sure that somebody is not harmed, injured or damaged, etc. To save, to keep somebody, something safe from harm, loss, and etc. For example, to protect the planet, to save the planet. And the last word is environmental. It is an adjective. Environmental protection. And now, if you are before the screen, to sound really English, repeat after me, please. Danger, environment, pollution, to pollute, to reuse, to reduce, to recycle, to protect, to save, environmental. Now, your task is to complete these sentences with the words from the box. And these are the words: pollution, environment, danger. So, something is a place where different things are. It is an environment. The next sentence: there is no of this, it is safe. What do you think of it? What is it? Yes, you are correct. Danger. And the third sentence is: the process of making air, water, soil, etc. dirty, the state of being dirty. And the last word from the box is pollution. So great of you. You see, if you try hard, you succeed. None and nobody is perfect. Let's go on. Now let's have a look at some words. Here are our problems: rubbish, pollution, climate change, endangered species or animals and plants, and growing population. I'd like you to watch some pictures and match them with these words. The first picture is this one. What do you think? What is it? Yes, it is pollution. The next picture. There is a lot of rubbish here. That's why the word is rubbish. The next one. What is it? Growing population. You are right. The next. Polar bears are in danger. So, they are endangered animals or endangered species. And the last picture, it is climate change, as you can see. So, great of you. We mentioned these words and word combinations with the pictures, and now we are passing to the text. We are going to do reading. Mind that you'll have these words in the following texts for you to practice them in reading and answering the questions. Look at the first slide, or if you have the book by Oksana Karpiuk, English 9, open the books on page 147 and repeat after me. Before reading the text, let's highlight some words. Look through the text and repeat after me. 200,000. The next one. Born in poor countries. The next. Enough food. And the last word I'd like you to pay attention to, Europe. Pronounce it correctly. Europe. So, the first question is, for this text, is the population growing in all parts of the world? Scan the text, please. Find the answer and say yes or no. And now, let's read. The world population is growing. Every day, 200,000 people are born on our planet. That's a lot of babies. In the future, there will be many more people, and they will need more food, water, houses, and energy. Most children are born in poor countries. Many of them don't have enough food and don't go to school. In some countries in Europe, there are not many children and families are becoming smaller. Do you know anybody who has many brothers or sisters? So, what is the answer to this question that I have read before the text? The answer is yes. And the answer is in the first line. The population is growing nowadays. Let's go on to the next question. Are people responsible for the climate change that is happening? As you can see, it is a general question. It is usually answered yes or no, And I'd like you to find the arguments or the sentence in the text that prove your answer. Let's read it together. Something is happening to our climate. It is getting warmer. Our springs and summers are very hot, and there isn't so much snow in winter. The Arctic ice is melting. Earth's climate has changed many times. There have been ice ages and warmer periods, but now these changes are happening fast. Are we responsible for this? Most scientists, but not all, say yes. We need to stop the global warming. So yes, the answer is in the pre-last sentence. Most scientists say yes. Text 3. We are to find the reasons for the answer. Why do we need water? Find them in the text. What must we do to save the water? Now, follow me, please. Nobody can live without water. Everybody needs it for drinking, cooking, and washing. However, for 1 in 5 people in the world, it is difficult to get clean water. I hope you are somebody who turns off the water in the bathroom and in the kitchen and doesn't leave it running for nothing. We must be careful with water. We have to save it. Pessimists say that we won't have enough water in future. We will be thirsty. The last line is the answer for our question. We will be thirsty without water. And we must turn off the water while brushing up our teeth in the morning to save it. The last text is number 4, and let's go on. We are again to find the reasons why do we produce so much rubbish in the text. Let's read it. Our cars and our factories pollute the air. Many rivers and lakes are also polluted. And on the land, there is rubbish everywhere. It is ugly to see this, and it is dangerous for wild animals. Do we want a world like that? We go shopping and bring home plastic bags. We want new things all the time. We buy a new mobile phone and throw away the old one. When you throw something away, it doesn't just disappear. Can we do anything about it? So, what is the answer to this question? What are the reasons? You are right. When we throw something, it doesn't just disappear. That's why we produce so much rubbish nowadays. Now, I want you to do the test online. Here is the link. Join Урок UA, and I'd like you to follow this link. Then you are to fill in the code that you can see on the screen, 305148, and there you'll find the test with 8 questions. Choose the correct answer out of 4. If you do it, you can see your marks at once. And as for me, your results and your activity will be shown on my page. And in the next lesson, I will analyze your answers and will speak on it. Okay, let's move to another task. Be ready to discuss the information and complete the scheme. Let's brainstorm. So we're discussing with you this very word, environment. What is it? I think it is water, people, land, animals, plants, airs is the last one. Name all the words that can be referred to the word water. Rate your river, ocean, lake, waterfall, rain, fresh water, and so on. The next word with us was people. These are men, women, children, boy and girls, and others. So land, earth, and planet. Animals. Help me please with this category. You could see different animals on the previous slides, and that's why I want you to name them. There were penguins, tigers, dogs, cats, a lot of them. Next is plant. Plants, they are grass, flowers, trees maybe. And the last one was air. It is an atmosphere, I think, and maybe a mixture of gases. So our environment is such a huge system, as you can see, and our responsibility is to protect it. So the question is, what should we do to protect the environment? There were some answers in the previous tests and texts, and before you give me your own answers, your own opinion, I'd like you to learn some new grammatical material. Today I promised you to acquaint with the first conditional at the beginning of the lesson. These are complex sentences, умовні речення першого типу. So, the structure of this first conditional sentence is: a first conditional sentence consists of two clauses, an if clause and a main clause. If clause – це підрядна частина складного речення. Main clause – це головна частина складного речення. For example, if we produce a lot of rubbish, it will pollute the land and sea. If the if clause comes first, a comma is usually used. If the if clause comes second, there is no need for a comma. It means, якщо підрядна частина на початку речення, ми обов'язково виділяємо її комою. Якщо підрядна частина стоїть в кінці, кома не потрібна. For example, rubbish will pollute the land and sea if we produce a lot of it. So the structure, what sentences should we use here? We use different verb forms in each part of the first conditional. If clause, here we have if plus subject plus present simple. Main clause, subject plus will plus verb. And the usage of these sentences, we use them for speaking about things which are possible in present or in future. And mind please that if you have if clause, there is no need to use will. Will we will be using only in the main clause. For example, if the population of the world grows, there will be many more people in the world. It is a possibility in future. Now your task is to match the sentence halves. And the first half is: if you switch off the light leaving the room, comma. Let's find the other part of this sentence. What will it be? Yes, you are correct. It's part B. You will reduce the use of energy. The second one. If we reuse things, mind the comma. So find the other part. It is C. We will not have much rubbish. And the last one is: you will recycle the things, there is no need for comma, if you put the plastic in the bottle bank. Right you are, and good of you. So, you remember the question I asked you. We have a lot of words, we know the grammar material, and now it's time for the discussion. What should we do to protect the environment? As you can see, we need to reduce, to reuse, and to recycle. It is the rule of 3 R's. And can you tell me, What could be reduced? Energy, gas, use of water. Yes, right you are. We could protect the nature if we reduce the use of water. Reuse. What could we reduce, please? Tell me. Plastic bags, plastic containers, and other things. Right you are. We could protect the nature if we reuse plastic containers. What could we recycle? Maybe paper, plastic, and glass. We could protect the nature if we recycle glass. So mind please. It is a rule of 3 R's. It's high time for you to watch the video. It will be the last task for you. Here we have the link and you can find it in your internet. But now I'd like you, before watching, mind these unknown words. The first one, it's not a word but word combination. Acid rains. Repeat please. Acid rains. Кислотні дощі. And the next word combination is ultraviolet radiation. Again, ultraviolet radiation. Ультрафіолетове випромінювання. I'd like you to pay attention to one task you probably won't know how to do. Word search. This task will be in your video. As an example, let's have a look at the next slide. Word search animals. You are to circle the names of the different animals. To find them all, you will have to look in every direction, including vertically, horizontally, backwards, or diagonally. I have found 3 words for you. The first one is alligator. As you can see, it is written backwards. The next one, the second, gorilla. It is written vertically. And the third one, zebra. It is written horizontally. And now, the time for watching video. The link is here, the video is here. It will take you not more than 10 minutes to do it. Watch and do the quiz. And at home, for your home task, you are to do the test on Урок site and do this very quiz. Good luck to you. The lesson is over. See you on the next week. Have a nice day and stay at home.
Pure nature, amazing the beautiful, isn't it? It's a wonderful world we live in. This is what happens when a man interferes. The world faces a lot of ecological problems then. Do the quiz ecological problems and think what you can change in your life to save the purity of our world. Question number 1. Which day is observed as World Earth Day? A. The 22nd of April, B. The 15th of September, and C. The 3rd of August. Correct answer is A. The 22nd of April. Question number 2. How many ecological words can you find in the table? Now check yourself. There are 8 words in the table. Waste, throw, damage, rubbish, drop, pollute, pack, danger. Question number 3. What does this sign mean? A. The thing is made from recycled materials. B. The thing can be recycled. C. Traffic sign roundabout. Correct answer is A. The thing is made from recycled materials. Question number 4. What do you call the rain that contains chemical waste and causes damage to plants and animals? A. Mushroom rain. B. Smog. C. Acid rain. Correct answer is C. Acid rain. Question number 5. Which way saves more energy? A. Turning your computer off. B. Putting it in sleep mode. C. Leaving it plugged in. Correct answer is A. Turning your computer off. Remember, the things use electricity when they are plugged into the wall even if you are not using it right now. Question number 6. What country consumes more energy in the world? A. China. B. Russia. C. The USA. Correct answer is C. The USA. Question number 7. What is the most polluted city in the world? A. Shanghai, China. B. Mexico City, Mexico. C. New Delhi, India. Correct answer is B. Mexico City. Air pollution in Mexico City is a severe ecological problem. Question number 8. Name the phenomenon because of which the Earth's atmosphere and temperature is increasing. A. Greenhouse effect. B. Blue house effect. C. Red house effect. Correct answer is A. Greenhouse effect. Question number 9. What ecological problem is shown in the picture? A. Air pollution. B. Global warming. C. Deforestation. Correct answer is C. Deforestation. Remember, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen. Question number 10. Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere protects the Earth from dangerous ultraviolet radiation of the Sun? A. Ionosphere. B. Ozonosphere. C. Troposphere. Correct answer is B. Ozonosphere. Ozone layer absorbs most of the Sun UV radiation. Question number 11. Which of these sources of energy is a renewable one? A. Wind. B. Coal. C. Oil. Correct answer is A. Wind. Question number 12. Why do many countries change their time twice a year, in autumn and in spring? A. To have an extra hour of daylight. B. To set the clock to the correct time. C. To get some more sleep. Correct answer is A. To have an extra hour of daylight. Question number 13. Which pole is colder? A. South Pole. B. North Pole. C. Both. Correct answer is A. South Pole. You should know that both the Arctic North Pole and the Antarctic South Pole are cold because they don't get any direct sunlight. But the South Pole is a lot colder than the North Pole. Why? The Arctic is ocean surrounded by land. The Antarctic is land surrounded by ocean. The ocean under the Arctic ice is cold, but still warmer than the ice. So the ocean warms the air a bit. Antarctica is dry and higher. Question number 14. Why are electric cars a good way to help reduce global warming? A. They can go so fast that the winds they create gives additional energy. B. They go so slow that after a while people just end up walking. C. They don't release greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Correct answer is C. They don't release greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Question number 15. What is the process of collecting, processing, and reusing waste materials called? A. Recycling. B. Reusing. C. Reworking. Correct answer is A. Recycling. Question number 16. How much waste does a European family with 2 children throw away in a year? A. 1,000 kilos of paper and 2,000 kilos of plastic. B. 100 kilos of paper and 200 kilos of plastic. C. 50 kilos of paper and 60 kilos of plastic. Correct answer is C. Question number 17. The Bronx Zoo once had a picture frame covered by cloth. It was labeled, "The most dangerous species in the world." What was there under the cloth? A. A virus. B. A mirror. C. A great white shark. Correct answer is B. A mirror. Every visitor could see his own reflection. Question number 18. Do the ecological puzzle. Now check yourself. Correct answer is environment. Acid rains, global warming, air and water pollution are some of the most serious environmental problems. It's no good pretending they don't exist. They do. We have everything to make our planet a better, cleaner, and safer place.